Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we use the color of blue. And now we draw the letter of A. First we use blue color. Now we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, now we draw the letter of B. B for ball. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And now we draw the letter of D. We again use the color of blue. Blue color. D for dog, D for doll. Now we draw E. The letter of E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. And now we draw G. G for gorilla. Kids, now we draw the letter of H. The color of yellow. Now we draw the letter of H. H for hand. Now we use yellow color. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice cream. And now we draw J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. Kids, we again use yellow color. And now we draw L. L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now we use black color and draw O. Now we use black color. The letter of O. O for octopus. The next one is P. P for parrot. And now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. And now we draw the letter of S. S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger. Now we draw the letter of U. U for umbrella. And the next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. Now we draw the letter of X. X for X-ray. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.